AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Friday, December the 17th, despite the fact we're a week away from Christmas and it's a Friday, I still have 3 press releases for you. Let's get straight to them. First up comes out of VMS Ventures, trades on the TSX Venture Exchange on the stock symbol VMS. This news came out very late yesterday afternoon, around 3:30 in the afternoon. Specifically, it reported mineralization at 30 meters from surface, including 15.7 meters of 6.57% zinc. These are drill and assay results from the initial infill diamond drill program at the Reed Lake deposit in Manitoba. The results are for holes RDL 009 to RDL 014 inclusive, and they're designed to test the zinc copper rich lens zone 30 located near surface. In additional highlights I just gave you, the company says it's also amenable to ramp development and early production from an underground operation. This infill program is the first phase of drilling at the Reed Lake project under a joint venture formed between VMS and Hudbay Minerals. It's a really big joint venture. Hudbay Minerals just put out their expenditures for 2011 in the area. It's going to be significant. This is a base metal, polymetallic, massive sulfide type deposit. The company closed yesterday 53 cents. 52-week high, 55 cents. They traded over 11 million shares in the last 5 trading days or so. 52-week low, 20 cents. So this is a client of AGORACOM. Always have to disclose that. But we don't talk about AGORACOM client news unless it stands on its own 2 feet. And VMS seems to really be finding its wings right now. And definitely something put on your radar. Go do your due diligence. Assume I'm horribly conflicted, but do your own due diligence. I think you'll like what you see. So congratulations to Rick and his group over there. Next up, Selwyn Resources, SWN on the Venture Exchange. They announced that definition drilling confirms high-grade mineralization. These are first release of assay results from the 93 lens, drilling over the 93 lens of the XY Central deposit, which is located at the Selwyn project in Yukon. Dr. Harlan Mead, President and CEO of the company, gave us a little bit of perspective before I give you the highlights. He says the results are very encouraging in confirming continuity of the high-grade mineralization and providing, I like this part, the necessary information for completing an upgrade of the mineral resources for the feasibility study scheduled for completion in mid-2011. Like that. I like that a lot. Feasibility studies, always a great sign. Here are the highlights. Hole XYC 210, 21 meters, grading 9.6% zinc, 2.9% lead, including 7.8 meters, grading 17.8% zinc, 6.05% lead. Hole 222, 10.16 meters of 16% zinc, 4.7% lead, including 5.9 meters of 19.2% zinc, 5.94% lead. And the company says this confirms widespread high-grade mineralization in the 93 lens. This Selwyn project is the company's core project, and they're calling it a world-class project. More than just words, it looks like they're really backing up with their money. Since 2005, the company says it's invested approximately $70 million to define the Selwyn deposit as one of the world's largest undeveloped zinc-lead deposits in the world. Traded yesterday, closed yesterday 20 cents. Dead smack in the middle of a very tight trading range over 52 weeks. 14 on the low, 27 on the high. So it's sitting right there, dead smack in the middle. Obviously not a lot of attention on it yet because it's so tight. But if the company's saying, putting out these kind of numbers, and they're talking about a feasibility study coming out in mid-2011, it may be the time, I know it is for me, to take a closer look at Selwyn Resources. And finally, out of China, this comes out of CSUN Energy, which trades on the NASDAQ under CSUN, CSUN. They announced an agreement to supply 120 megawatts of photovoltaic modules. This is to EcoWare. It's a subsidiary of the Kurtzeff Group, which is a leading Italian company in the integration of photovoltaic systems and solar fields of any size. They're going to supply this 120 megawatts of PV modules between the 4th quarter of 2010 and the 3rd quarter of 2011. They closed yesterday, 435. Same kind of situation, pretty much dead smack in the middle of their 52 trade range. 584 on the high, $3.40 on the low. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 3 great press releases for you. If you're watching this on Global Investor and you look for more great small mid-cap resource companies, then I'd look below me or to the left of me to take a look at the companies we report on over the past few days. Otherwise, get up to the front page of AGORACOM where you can do 3 things. watch the show on a daily basis or watch through our syndication partners, things like iTunes, YouTube, whatever's convenient for you. 2, take a look at the best press releases coming out of the industries right on our front page there over the past few days. And finally, get stuff into the directory. Discover your next great small cap company. That's a wrap. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. See you on Monday.